Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here, hope you're well. We are going to go and install Minecraft Education Edition on the Mac. So, first things we're going to need to do are make sure that you know about your Go option at the top. In Go, you'll need to go and open up your applications folder and make sure that that is accessible like this. The second thing you're going to need is to make sure that you can get your downloads folder, because we're going to use that in a second, like this. That means you can use the back button here to go backwards and forwards between the two places. I'm going to stay in the downloads folder here. The second window you're going to need is your system preferences, because for some of you, there will be an issue where you have got your security settings so that you can only get applications from the Mac App Store, which is fine. So you need to go into the house, the security and privacy section, and then in here, at this space here, you are going to see a window that's going to say allow Minecraft Education Edition to be installed on this application. You can see that it says allow apps downloaded from only the App Store, and on my Mac here I've got App Store and identified developers. Microsoft is an identified developer. To change it on your Mac from App Store to this, you need to go to the lock and unlock it and put your password in there. You can do that later, you'll see that in a second. So we're going to go into Safari. I'm going to use Safari because everybody will have Safari on now. And you can see that I've already downloaded this just to make sure that everything's working before. How did we get to this page? Well, all I did was search. And so I did a quick search for Education Edition in my search, and I got to the page that said download Minecraft Education Edition. I'm going to click on it, and you've got two options. You've got Mac, which is here, and then you've got recommended for your device because it recognizes I'm on a Mac, and you can go and download it there like that. Some people may get another security issue here that says, are you sure you want to allow this page to have downloads? And there's a little button here that says allow. I'm going to go and check my downloads and see what's happening here. And so you've got your spotlight function here to take you into Finder. Once that's downloaded, I'm going to go straight into Finder, and it will bring up the window that I have previously and you have previously found by going into the Go menu. I'm going to go and open this up by double clicking. It'll unzip it once I've picked it up and I've dragged it into the application folder, ready to unzip inside the application folder that I asked you just to open and make sure that you've got access to before. So I'm going to go and close this window. I don't need this anymore. I'm going to go back out of here, and in my application folder I will have Minecraft Education Edition. I'm going to go and open it up. And then this verification window here, it may say straight away, you can't access this because it's blocked for security reasons. On mine, because you can see that the option was already set in here, I'm going to be able to open this up. But as soon as this window appears on some of your Macs, you'll get a notification here. This is why I asked you to get the security and privacy window ready so that you know where to go. I'm going to go and open mine up, and then you may hear the music because the system sounds may come through this clip. But as soon as I sign in here, I can go and sign in with my school account. I think it may know me from before already. No, it doesn't. But I'm going to go and put my school email account and my password in, and then I'm ready to rock and roll. As always, Year 5, good luck.